Mustafa, news is coming in that the Narcotics Bureau has registered a criminal case in the Riyadh drug link. That's the latest that is coming in. Now, viewers, if I can just quickly take you through the agencies that are investigating the Sushant death is the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate, and the latest news break is that the Narcotics Bureau will now also step in by registering a criminal case in the Riyadh drug link. All of this is based on deleted WhatsApp chats that Riya Chakrabarti had with possibly alleged drug dealers. She apparently also spoke about administering certain drugs to Sushant, and she had that conversation with other employees of Sushant. All right, so that's the latest that we're getting in. This criminal case will be against Riya Chakrabarti's brother, Shouvik, Riya, Jaya, and Shruti Modi. Okay, so that's the latest that we're getting in right now. The Narcotics Bureau is stepping in, will lodge a criminal complaint against Riya Chakrabarti, her brother Shouvik, Jaya, and Shruti Modi. All four of them were caught, or in fact in the deleted WhatsApp chats that have been pulled out. They have been seen to be having a conversation where it's very clear that Riya in a couple of conversations seemingly interacting, but those were conversations she had in 2017 with a possible drug dealer asking about certain drugs. I want to now connect to my colleague Divesh. Divesh, a criminal complaint would be lodged by the Narcotics Bureau against Riya, her brother Shouvik, Jaya, and Shruti Modi. What more can you add?
Yes, Preeti, Narcotics Control Bureau is looking into this controversy related to Riya Chakrabarti, and she speaking to some people regarding some banned narcotic substances. And once the probe is initiated by the Central Anti-Narcotics Agency, it will be clear what were the drugs being sought for. Riya, in a statement issued by a lawyer, has said that she has never consumed these drugs. Also, some of the messages indicate that she was buying these drugs for Sushant, like the CBD oil that Jaya Saha had mentioned in her message is a legal oil. It is prescribed as a medication for depression, for pain, anxiety and other issues. But there are other drugs like marijuana. There are words used like hash, which is for hashish. There are words used like ecstasy and LSD, which could be probed by the anti-narcotic agency that will be carrying out its probe. Deputy Director...
Divesh, I want to just step in. I want you to take us through the chats, the deleted chats excerpts. When is it that with regard to Sushant, with Jaya and Shruti Modi, in what context have drugs been spoken about by Riya?
See, one of the messages that we've accessed, India Today has exclusively accessed, clearly states that Jaya Saha, whose actual name is Jayanti Saha, who works for Quan Talent Management. Quan is a leading talent management agency of Bollywood. Jayanti Saha not only handled Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakrabarti, but she also handles accounts of some top actors from Bollywood. And Jayanti Saha is talking about this particular oil, which needs to be added in tea or coffee, exactly 4 drops of it, and can be given to 3 to 4 times. And
CBD is a legal substance.
From Riya's side, it is.
CBD is a legal substance.
CBD is indeed a legal substance.
Okay.
Though it is produced, which is it's a derivative of cannabis, but it is prescribed as a medication in India also for anxiety, depression. So mostly it is prescribed through subscription. Remember, Sushant Singh Rajput was undergoing treatment for depression. There's another message that is from Shruti Modi, where she again talks about weed. He has to stop it. That is what she says. He has to stop it. And he has said that he quit it yesterday. That was a January 2020 message. So there also there's a mention of marijuana, which is a banned substance. Other than that, there's another message which has surfaced today, which India Today exclusively brought to light, where Riya is seen communicating regarding buying 2 packets of marijuana or weed and 17,000 rupees to be paid to Deepesh. Deepesh
All
Sawant
right.
is
Okay,
the house
Devesh, we're going to
help
continue
who
coming
was
back to you. Appreciate you joining.